Hey guys, welcome back to Old Rascal Garage. If this is your first time, appreciate you stopping. Got some comments on my square body where I had questions about how to fix that roof, and hadn't really got to the wiring yet. I'll have more questions when it comes to that, but got some comments and some emails, phone calls from some people about how to fix my holes on the roof, and I appreciate that because I think we're going to use every one of them you talk about. Finally got my buddy Wayne to come up and do some welding on my dad's 41 in there. We're gonna take a look at that, and I showed him my truck too, so I think he's gonna be able to help me out with that and use some of the suggestions y'all told me about, and I think that's how we're gonna fix it, and I appreciate that. I thank y'all for commenting and reaching out to me, and I appreciate it. Today we're gonna be working on that 41. Wayne's come up with his son Jacob, lifelong friend of mine. The way they work, it's hard to get them free sometimes, but they were able to come up and help my dad on his old 41, do some welding on it. Got a few holes they're going to fill in, and rearrange some seat brackets and make a little tunnel for the back of it. So I'm going to shoot some video of them doing that, and I appreciate it if you watch and hang out with us for a little bit. We're under the hood, in the hood, man.
Today, I'm going to try it in 41 Ford. I'm going to try to put this deadener in the top where it sounds like can. I'll try to put this in here and get it squared up like I want it. Try to knock some of that sound down and put it in the roof of it. Got it in the floor. Started in the floor. I'm going to go ahead and use what I got right now to put it in the roof. Get that done because I'm going to try to get the headliner in it. Get this quietened down. That sounds that's going to make a heck of a lot of difference right there. Trying to get it squared, but I don't know how we're gonna do it. Just lay on top like stuff in 16 in, 16 wide, 23 and a quarter long. I want to go 3 wide across our top of that. I don't know if that's gonna. If that's gonna give me, let me measure across it and see what I got. See, I'd like to go 3 wide with it. Get that in there. I hadn't got it mounted yet because I want to take it. I got to take it out. I want to get the headlight and give me more. These seats and all that give me more room to maneuver in here. Let's get this tape tag right. Let me get a measure tape. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we can come up with come on, probably about 2 inches, and that'll be 2 over here, so that'll be 48. Okay, 48. 48, we got 20, 16 wide, so it'll be 3 times 16, that would give us 48. Yeah, 48. 3 of 3 would be just right. Come on, 2 inches on the side, that'd be just right. Okay.